I am a freedom fighter. We are ruled by other people. We do not know how to solve our problems, our day-to-day problems with which we confront. And that is the biggest crisis, a challenge that we want to overcome. Only if you are leading your present life in an independent way, without depending on anyone, solve all your own problems by just awakening your own human resources, you are truly independent. And God likes only those people who live this life in an independent way. You have to get rid of the dependency. Fortunately, we are all gifted with infinite powers, the human resources, and that are coded inside our brain. Brain is a supercomputer, a powerful gadget, the hardware that we are having. We are not mindful about this brain. We are happy with the man-made computer, but not with this supercomputer that we are having it. I call this the human brain, our future computer. We'll be forgetting the man-made computer. We are heading towards this brain, more use of the brain. And so I named this brain as brain-uter. From computer, we are advancing towards brain-uter. The resources, the human resources that we have right from birth, they are coded inside the brain, and that is the programming that we are having. That is the software that we are carrying. Sunlight is the power supply, electricity or energy to the brain. See the comparison, computer and brain-uter. With computer you have got IT, the information technology. With brain-uter also it is the IT, but the inner technology. That will be the final science, the inner technology. Unfortunately, the science, the present day science has given us many misleading thoughts. And so we are scared of the sun, we are never looking at the sun. And that is the reason why human brain is working, say 0.5% or 1% or maybe 2%. So we are wasting away the divine resources that are given to us. We have to see that we activate the human brain. And there lies the answers to all our problems. Because our body is governed by the brain. Very little mind is in the body, but the whole body is in the mind. It is mind over matter. If you treat the body, you are treating the symptoms, but if you treat the brain also at the same time, you are reaching at the source of the problem. So it is the brain, its efficiency, its energy, that matters to us for our health. And brain has to be activated more and more. And so sunlight has to reach the brain. And for that you have to look at the sun. Sun gazing is only a technical word. Don't get scared by gazing. The word gazing. It is a simple look at the sun. So simple that if you are comfortable with your TV looking, you can look the sun morning and evening. Sun gazing is not different than your TV gazing. It is sun TV for you either morning or evening, either at sunrise time or at sunset time. Now science knows with ample evidences that sun is not always harmful. There are certain periods which are harmful. There are certain periods which has a medicinal value. 1 hour from sunrise, 1 hour before sunset of your area where you are staying, according to your longitude, latitude, that is totally safe for the human eye. Also, science knows that whenever ultraviolet index of the sun is less than 2, it is safe for the eye to look at the sun. When the sunlight falls on your skin, when UV is between 2 and 5, it has a tremendous medicinal value when it just warms your body. But if it heats or burns or irritates your body, then it is a poison and that you have to avoid it. But this goes without saying, with ample evidences, foolproof evidences, that 1 hour from sunrise, 1 hour before sunset, officially known as the first hour of the sun and last hour of the sun, are totally safe for the human eye. You have to look at the sun only during these periods, either morning or evening. Not even twice, only once a day. Make up your mind, change your mindset, have faith on this great power, have no fear. No lifestyles to be changed. Eat, drink, take medicines, do exercise, whatever you are doing at present, continue with that. This is the only health practice which does not suggest any restrictions. The only thing is add sun gazing to your daily lifestyles. And you will have enough time for that. And if you are running short of time, reduce your TV gazing and devote to sun gazing. So easy. First day, when you make up your mind, if climate is good, then just go outside your house, remain in the open, stand straight, keep your spinal cord straight, and if be possible, be barefoot on bare earth. And just look at the sun in a normal way, relaxed way. First day, not more than 10 seconds. Remember, it is seconds, 10 seconds. That is the maximum. You can choose a lesser period. 5 seconds, 6, 7, 8, anything.